Creating and using templates in Gmail can save time and streamline communication, especially for business users in Google Workspace. Here's how to enable and create templates. Log into Google Admin Console. Visit the Google Admin Console and log in with your admin credentials. Enable templates in Gmail. In the Admin Console, go to the App section. Click Google Workspace and then Gmail. Under User Settings, ensure that templates is enabled for your organization. This allows users to save and use templates in Gmail. Access Gmail settings. After enabling templates, log into Gmail with your Google Workspace account. Click the gear icon in the top right corner and select See All Settings. Create a template. In the Gmail settings, go to the Advanced tab. Scroll down and enable the Templates feature. Click Save Changes. Create a new email template. Compose a new email and write the content you want to save as a template. Click on the three-dot menu in the lower right corner of the email window. Then choose Templates, Save Draft as Template, Save as New Template. Give your template a name and click Save.